When you approach the ATM machine, you actually have the option to tap or insert your card like this. Now, if you don't have your card, no problem. You can actually use your phone. You can tap it using Apple Pay or Google Pay or just any of those other links like so. Or you can actually insert your card. Just keep in mind, not all cards are accepted. You can see the list of cards on the screen like so that are actually accepted. But basically, when you enter in your card or tap it, your transaction will begin. And basically what you can actually do with one of these ATM machines is you can actually deposit checks or withdraw cash just from this machine like so. And basically on the screen, you'll actually have the option to do this, whether you want to deposit or withdraw or whatever you're trying to do with this machine. And you can see down here, these are the dispensers where you can actually deposit cash or put it into the machine so that the cash or the check will go to your bank account, or you can actually get the cash dispensers depending on how much you're actually pulling out of this machine like so. And you can use the keypad to type in these numbers. And when you're done, you simply want to click on the finish transaction option just on the screen. And obviously remember to take your card and it will print your receipt. It's always important to be mindful when using one of these to make sure that no one in your surrounding area is actually watching you use it so you don't steal any of your personal information. But yeah, if you found this helpful, leave a like and subscribe down below and have a great day.